It's that time of the week again. It's Mail Monday. If you guys don't know what Mail Monday is, basically you guys ask me, Isaac, questions about wrestling down in the comment section. Make sure you comment because this week it was kind of light, so I had to pull comments from other videos. But jumping right into this, first question is from Kyle Jensen. Hey, can you do a video on getting good grades while wrestling season? While wrestling season. So basically while wrestling season is in play, I understand that your time is cut short, right? If you haven't already watched my video on how to cheat high school, then watch that really quick. It's a good video. I explain what high school is trying to get out of you. Basically during wrestling season, the only thing that's changed is you have to manage your time better. You lose 3 hours of your day when you're in wrestling season because of practice, and that's about it. So really it should be you wake up, go to school, go to practice, go home, shower, do your homework. In high school, doing your homework is 99% of everything. You just need to do your homework, do your work, turn it in, and you'll get a good grade in the class. At least in my school, it was really hard to get bad grades, unless you're in AP classes. But yeah, it's basically the same thing. Getting good grades in high school is pretty simple. You just have to do it. It's a matter of whether or not you do it or not. Because the majority of kids who don't do well is because they don't turn in their work. So if you just turn in your work, you're probably gonna get good grades. Don't be a pussy, manage your time, go to practice, go home, shower, do your homework, go to your second practice if you have to, or do whatever you need to. During wrestling season should be a time of extreme discipline for you. You should be exercising discipline in every aspect of your life, in the food you eat, the water you drink, the way you work out, when you work out after school, how you go about school. In class, you need to be paying attention the entire time. You need to be learning the entire time. You should be, right? I understand you get distracted, and I understand you'll be on your phone or something. You need to minimize that, especially during wrestling season, because the worst thing is to be ineligible for grades. That is the dumbest thing ever. That is so stupid. If you become ineligible for grades, that's only your fault. That's only your fault. You can't blame it on a teacher. You can't blame it on anything. It's only your fault. If you turn in the work, then you're gonna get good grades. It takes half a brain to get a C average in high school. Alright, next question goes from Yellow360 Swag XX Noob Slayer. How do I get better with teammates that don't take it as serious? Alright, so I already made a video about this. Check it out. It's how to deal with lazy partners. But something that I didn't add in there that I should. You should be trying to find new partners, constantly. You shouldn't be wrestling with the same person. Wrestle heavier people. Wrestle people that you know will beat you. If you can change your partners, change them as much as possible. You shouldn't just be with one person the whole time. If you don't have a partner to switch, then it's on you to beat the shit out of that kid. You have to beat the shit out of your partner until he either starts defending himself or he quits. One of the two is gonna happen. If you go as hard as you can, he's either gonna be forced to go as hard as you can. Just understand that going as hard as you can means not letting him get up. You have to take him to his back and not just keep him there. You have to let him think he can get up and then push him down. You have to break his spirit. You have to break his spirit with everything you do if he's being a bad partner, right? That's his fault. That's all his fault. It's not your fault that you want to get better, right? It's his fault that he doesn't want to get better, okay? Understand that. You have to be mean. Okay, I know you posted J-Rob vids 7 months ago, but do heavyweights do J-Rob? Heavyweights do J-Rob. They have their own separate mat. You will be with other heavyweights. There is a ton of heavyweights. You're going to be wrestling kids that weigh 185 and up. The weight classes go 106 to 120, 126 to 132, 138 to 170, and then 170 to heavyweight. So you have your own mat where you're with other heavy guys, and you're gonna have coaches that are heavyweights that will teach you how to wrestle like a heavyweight. J-Rob is very beneficial if you're a heavyweight. It gives you a mental strength that other heavyweights just don't have. Most of the time they just don't have mental strength like that. All the heavyweights that I've met that go to J-Rob do very, very well in their next. Alright, that was kind of a shorter video, but if you guys like that video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna post a Tech Tuesday tomorrow, so check that out. Check out my other videos. I post a ton of how-tos. If you're new here, this channel is basically everything that I wish I had when I was wrestling in high school. So check out my other videos. But until next time, I'll see you guys. Peace.